AdvantaClean team. My name is Viviana Olaya. In this video, I want to share with you 3 things that you can do today to boost the traffic to your website. So this is the video I prepared for Miami. So right now, I am looking at your Miami landing page, and I can see here that it has the critical button, the sharing button. You also have the contact us down here, the links to the different services that you provide, and some description of the services that you provide as well. Over here are some testimonials. So in general terms, it's a very easy to navigate website. In terms of the amount of content, right now it is sitting around 1268 words. And content is important because that's the way or the means that you have to push through the relevant content for which you wish to be found by Google. If I have a look at 2 of your competitors, so Search Pro, for example, they have in this page, this is a landing page for Miami as well, they have around 913 words, so a little bit less than you, but they are ranking at the top for water damage restoration services. Now, if I have a look at Water Damage Miami LLC, right now they have around 467 words, so very close to yours. So just an opportunity for improvement there is to actually have a look at the content of this landing page to include the relevant buyer intent keywords so that you can rank at the top. And what I mean by that is that I came here to Google search and I typed in water damage restoration Miami. The first section is the Google ads, and they are good at driving traffic, but they can be very expensive and some people just turn them off. The second section is the GMPs, and they are driving 40% of the traffic. To rank at the top, you need 3 things. You need pictures, you need reviews, and you need citations. And a citation is anywhere your business is listed on a directory. And those details need to match those of the Google Business Profile so that Google can verify you and can rank you within the GMPs. And now the third section is the organic search, and here's where I found your competitors. To rank at the top of the Google organic search, you need something called backlinks. Right now I'm using Airix, which is the tool that helps me analyze the back end of the website, and I can see that your landing page for Miami has 261 backlinks in 25 referring domains. So that is 261 links in 25 external websites. If I have a look at Water Damage Miami LLC, they currently have 3,510 backlinks in 428 referring domains, so a lot more than what you have. And Search Pro, the landing page, although they don't have direct backlinks to the Miami landing page, I can see that the domain rating is talking of that power, so they are harnessing on that power from the domain. This is on a 100-point scale, and that's the reason why they're ranking. One of the reasons why they could be ranking at the top of the organic search. So in here, just by looking at the second competitor, you can see that they have 3,510 backlinks. You actually need to build that backlink profile and focus on having those backlinks in websites that are relevant to the services that you provide and to your niche, so that Google can give you the extra points for this and can rank you at the top. The other view is that you are being ranked for 40 organic keywords, and these are the keywords that you are being ranked for. So I can see here what those keywords are, the search volume of those keywords, so this is the number of times this keyword is searched per month in Google, and this is the position that you are appearing in the Google search for that particular keyword. So anything beyond the 10th position means that you're already 11th, 12th position means that you're already on the second page of Google, which is gonna be really hard to attract traffic and visits to your website. So right now I can see that the top, so for that particular landing page of Miami, the top keywords are related to mold removal Miami or mold removal services. The search volume is 450, Miami mold removal 90, but you are ranking on the 11th, 12th, 14th, 15th, 17th position. I filter out by Miami, Florida, Broward, for the order, which just to have a look at those value intent keywords. If I have a look at search growth, they are being ranked for 35 keywords, and I can see here that we have water damage restoration Miami. The search volume is 300. Water damage Miami, the search volume is 250. Water restoration Miami 40. Water damage restoration 100. But you can see here that they are ranking on the first and the second position. And for that, because of that, they are able to drive more traffic to their website. Had a look at at these guys, and they are being ranked for 363 keywords. And I add up all of this volume because in the end, that's what we want. We want to target as many relevant keywords and the ones that have higher volumes, so that you can sprinkle them all over into your website, and your website can be in front of many people as possible, so that you can have more visits. I add up this volume, and it adds to 900 searches per month. So if you're able to be in front of more people more often, a percentage of, and this is just for these keywords. I mean, there could be more out there for those relevant and specific services that we provide. So the purpose here is to be and target those keywords, be in front of more people as you can, because a percentage of those people are going to click on the link that's going to take them to your website, and then another percentage is going to reach out to you, and another percentage is you're going to be able to convert into customers depending on your closing rate. And that's the reason why it's important to have the relevant content, a powerful backlink profile, and to rank at the top of the Google My Business profile. If you like what you saw in this video, please feel free to go ahead and implement it on your own. Otherwise, I would be more than happy to hear from you. Just feel free to give me a call. All I'm asking in return is for your feedback. Thank